This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your burgers not shrink. Nobody likes a tiny burger, so let's dive into some simple tricks. First, selecting the right ground beef is crucial. Aim for an 80/20 lean to fat ratio. This extra fat helps maintain size and moisture. Next, when forming your patties, don't overwork the meat. Gently shape them and create a small indentation in the center. This little dimple helps the burger cook evenly and prevents it from puffing up and shrinking too much. Finally, always keep your patties chilled until they are ready to cook. Getting the patty shape right is key to preventing shrinkage. Aim for a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. If they're too thin, they'll cook too fast and dry out, leading to more shrinkage. A good tip is to make your patties slightly wider than your bun, anticipating a little reduction in size. Also, resist the urge to press down on your burgers with a spatula while they're cooking. This common mistake forces out all the delicious juices and fat, which are essential for a moist, full-sized burger. Let them cook undisturbed. The way you cook your burgers significantly impacts their final size. Begin by searing them on high heat for a minute or two per side to lock in juices, then reduce the heat to medium to finish cooking through. This initial sear creates a crust that helps hold everything together. Try to flip your burgers only once or twice during the entire cooking process. Excessive flipping can lead to uneven cooking and moisture loss. For an extra juicy burger, some chefs even place a small ice cube or a pat of butter in the center of the patty before cooking. For even more success, consider incorporating some finely chopped ingredients into your ground beef. Adding things like mushrooms or grated onion can introduce extra moisture and flavor, helping your burgers stay plump. Also, hold off on salting your meat mixture until just before you cook the patties. Salt can draw out moisture, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. By following these simple steps, you'll be enjoying perfectly sized, juicy burgers every time. And speaking of reading, if you love a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.